Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please give us a like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Ultimate Guide to Toyota Yaris 2024 Maintenance. Keeping your Toyota Yaris 2024 in prime condition requires regular maintenance. Are you wondering why it's essential? Routine upkeep not only ensures your car's longevity but also keeps it performing at its best. With the Yaris 2024, there are a few unique aspects you can't overlook. From the advanced hybrid engine to the latest safety features, specific maintenance steps will keep these components running smoothly. We're here to guide you through everything you need to know, making sure your Yaris stays reliable and safe on the road. Let's dive into the specifics, so you can enjoy your Yaris without any hiccups. Understanding your Toyota Yaris 2024 maintenance schedule. Taking care of your Toyota Yaris 2024 involves sticking to a well-defined maintenance schedule. This plan ensures your car stays in excellent condition and avoids unexpected breakdowns. Let's explore the key aspects of your Yaris's maintenance needs. Regular maintenance intervals. To keep your Toyota Yaris 2024 running smoothly, you'll need to follow specific maintenance intervals. These intervals tell you when different tasks should be done to keep your car in top shape. Here are some of the most important intervals to remember. Oil changes. Every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Regular oil changes are vital for keeping your engine clean and well lubricated. Tire rotations. Every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Rotating your tires helps them wear evenly, extending their lifespan. Brake inspections. Every 10,000 miles. Regular brake checks ensure your brakes are functioning correctly and safely. Engine air filter replacement. Every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. A clean air filter helps your engine run efficiently. Cabin air filter replacement. Every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. This keeps the air inside your car clean and fresh. Spark plug replacement. Every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Fresh spark plugs ensure smooth engine performance. Checking fluids and replacements. Fluids play a crucial role in your Yaris's performance. Here's a breakdown of how often you should check and replace each type of fluid. Engine oil. Check every month and replace every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Always use the recommended oil type for your engine. Brake fluid. Check every 10,000 miles and replace every 30,000 miles or as needed. Clean brake fluid is essential for reliable braking performance. Transmission fluid. Check every 30,000 miles and replace every 60,000 miles. Keeping this fluid fresh prevents transmission problems. Coolant. Check every 10,000 miles and replace every 30,000 miles. Proper coolant levels keep your engine from overheating. Power steering fluid. Check every month and replace as needed. Fresh fluid ensures smooth steering. Regular checks on these fluids prevent unexpected issues and keep your Yaris in great shape for years to come. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule is crucial. Adhering to these guidelines ensures optimal performance and can help you avoid expensive repairs down the road. Essential maintenance tasks for Toyota Yaris 2024. Proper maintenance of your Toyota Yaris 2024 is key to keeping it running smoothly and avoiding costly repairs. Staying on top of essential maintenance tasks ensures your car performs at its best and has a longer lifespan. Let's take a look at some crucial areas you should focus on. Oil changes. Changing the engine oil in your Yaris 2024 is one of the most fundamental maintenance tasks. Here's how you can do it. Warm up engine. Run the engine for a few minutes to warm the oil, making it easier to drain. Drain old oil. Use a wrench to remove the drain plug and let the old oil flow into a container. Replace oil filter. Remove the old oil filter and replace it with a new one. Add new oil. Pour the recommended oil type for your Yaris 2024, usually 0W20 synthetic, through the oil filler hole. Using the correct oil is crucial. The Yaris 2024 typically requires 0W20 synthetic oil, which provides excellent performance and protection. Regular oil changes keep the engine lubricated and prevent wear and tear, ensuring your car lasts longer. Tire maintenance. Proper tire maintenance is essential for safety and performance. Here are the key steps. Tire rotation. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to ensure even wear. This involves moving tires from one position to another, like front to back. Balancing. Have your tires balanced every time you rotate them. This ensures even weight distribution and prevents vibrations. Alignment. Check the alignment regularly. Misaligned tires can cause uneven wear and affect handling. Check tire wear. Inspect your tires for wear by using the penny test. Place a penny into the tread. If Lincoln's head is visible, it's time to replace the tires. Maintaining your tires can improve fuel efficiency, enhance safety, and extend the life of your tires. Brake system maintenance. Regular brake maintenance is crucial for your safety. Here's what you need to know. Brake inspections. Inspect your brakes every 10,000 miles. Look for any signs of wear such as thinning brake pads. Signs of brake wear. Listen for squeaking or grinding noises, feel for vibrations or a spongy brake pedal. These are signs that your brakes need attention. Replace brake components. If you notice any of the above signs, it's time to replace your brake pads or rotors. Generally, brake pads should be replaced every 25,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on your driving habits. Ignoring brake maintenance can lead to brake failure, which is dangerous. Keeping your brake system in top condition ensures your Toyota Yaris 2024 is safe to drive. Battery maintenance. Your battery is essential for starting your car and powering electrical components. To maintain it, check for corrosion. Look at the battery terminals for any signs of corrosion. Clean them with a mixture of baking soda and water if needed. Test battery. Have your battery tested regularly to ensure it's holding a charge. Most auto shops will do this for free. Replace the battery. If your battery is more than 3 years old or frequently fails to start the car, it may be time to replace it. Proper battery maintenance can prevent unexpected breakdowns and ensure your Yaris starts reliably every time. These are the essential maintenance tasks that will keep your Toyota Yaris 2024 in top shape. By staying on top of oil changes, tire maintenance, brake inspections, and battery care, you'll ensure that your car remains reliable and safe for years to come. Seasonal maintenance tips for Toyota Yaris 2024. Seasonal maintenance ensures your Toyota Yaris 2024 stays in top condition, regardless of the weather. Taking the time to prepare your car for different seasons can prevent issues and keep you safe on the road. Preparing for winter. Winter can be tough on any vehicle, and the Yaris 2024 is no exception. Here are some tips to get your car ready for the colder months. Check antifreeze levels. Antifreeze, or coolant, keeps your engine from freezing. Make sure to check the levels and top off with a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and water. Inspect battery health. Cold weather can drain your battery faster. Have your battery tested and clean the terminals to ensure a strong connection. Examine tire tread. Good tire tread is crucial for traction on snowy or icy roads. Use the penny test to check your tires. If the tread is worn, consider switching to winter tires. Wiper blades and washer fluid. Ensure your wiper blades are in good condition and fill up with winter washer fluid to prevent it from freezing. Taking these steps will help keep your Yaris running smoothly throughout the winter. Summer maintenance. When temperatures rise, certain car components need extra attention. Here's how to keep your Yaris 2024 cool and efficient during the summer. Check air conditioning system. The AC needs to be in top shape to keep you comfortable. Make sure it's blowing cold air. If not, it might need a recharge or a check for leaks. Monitor coolant levels. High temperatures can cause your engine to overheat. Regularly check your coolant levels and top off as necessary. Ensure there are no leaks in the cooling system. Inspect tire pressure. Hot weather can cause tire pressure to rise, leading to a blowout. Check your tire pressure often and adjust according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Examine belts and hoses. The heat can cause these components to wear out faster. Look for any cracks, fraying, or leaks and replace them if necessary. By following these summer maintenance tips, you ensure your Toyota Yaris 2024 performs well even in the hottest conditions. Staying on top of seasonal maintenance not only keeps your Yaris 2024 running efficiently but also enhances safety and reliability. That wraps up part 1 of our ultimate guide to Toyota Yaris 2024 maintenance. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover advanced maintenance tips and more. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.